Hello everybody, welcome back to channel ANZ Machinery. Raising cows outdoors involves a series of steps that ensure the calves receive the best care and nutrition. First, high-quality dry milk powder is placed into a specialized machine where it is mixed with water in large quantities. This process creates a nourishing milk mixture that is essential for the calves' growth and development. The milk is then carefully extracted and measured into bottles of 2, 3, or 4 liters, ensuring each calf receives the correct amount of nutrition based on its needs. Once the bottles are prepared, they are loaded onto a trailer and transported to the calf farm. The transportation process is designed to be efficient and gentle to ensure that the milk remains fresh and ready for consumption upon arrival. At the farm, workers distribute the bottles to each calf. The calves are housed in small, beautiful barns, providing them with a safe and comfortable environment. These barns are designed to protect the calves from harsh weather while allowing them access to fresh air and natural surroundings. Feeding time is an organized process where each calf is given its own bottle of milk. The workers ensure that every calf gets a fair share and is monitored closely to make sure they are feeding well. This close monitoring helps identify any calves that might need additional attention or care. After the calves have consumed their milk, the workers collect the empty bottles and take them back for thorough cleaning and disinfection. This step is crucial in maintaining the health and hygiene of the calves, preventing any potential spread of diseases. The cleaning process involves washing the bottles with soap and water, followed by a thorough disinfection procedure to eliminate any harmful bacteria or contaminants. Once the calves mature, they are gradually introduced to grains. This supplementary feeding ensures the cows receive essential nutrients not always available in grazing alone. The combination of grazing and grain feeding supports the overall health and productivity of the herd, promoting strong growth and robust immune systems. This method balances the benefits of natural grazing with the nutritional assurance provided by grain, creating an optimal environment for raising healthy cows. Raising cows outdoors requires careful management, especially during winter. As the snow blankets the fields, the cow's diet is supplemented with nutritious pumpkins to ensure they receive essential vitamins and minerals. Pumpkins are rich in fiber and provide a natural source of energy, keeping the herd healthy and resilient against the cold. This method not only supports the cow's well-being, but also makes use of seasonal produce, promoting sustainability. By integrating pumpkins into their winter diet, farmers maintain robust, productive cattle even in harsh weather conditions. How to freeze brand cattle. Dry ice method. Sand Creek Ranch. At Sand Creek Ranch, we use a dry ice and gasoline mixture for freeze branding. Begin by wetting the branding area on the calf. For this example, we're branding with a 0 iron. Prepare a cooler with broken dry ice and add gasoline to create an extra cold environment, maintaining the irons at around -200 degrees Fahrenheit. After wetting the area, place the branding iron firmly on the calf for 55 seconds. We prefer gasoline over isopropyl alcohol due to its affordability and availability. Gasoline also doesn't affect the water as alcohol does, making it ideal for large-scale branding. Keep adding gasoline to ensure the irons stay cold. Once the branding is done, replace the calf's old tag with a new one matching the Freeze brand. For instance, if the old tag reads 434 and the new brand is 032, update the tag accordingly. This calf is now ready to be turned out, and the next one can be processed. This method is efficient and ensures clear, lasting brands.
Witness the unparalleled precision of beef cutting with a chainsaw in our state-of-the-art cattle slaughter factory. Our skilled professionals use advanced techniques to ensure every cut is clean and efficient, optimizing the quality and yield of the meat. Discover the world's #1 skinning tool for cattle, designed to deliver flawless leather every time. This high-performance, high-capacity tool is engineered to perfection, ensuring no cuts, marks, or holes in the leather. Ideal for leather industries aiming for the best quality, this tool guarantees exceptional results, transforming raw hides into premium-grade leather with ease. Experience the combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology in our facility, where every process is refined to meet the highest standards. From beef cutting to leather skinning, our tools and techniques set the benchmark for excellence in the industry. Join us and witness the future of meat processing and leather production today.